Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine, doing well, and your examination is also approaching. So, my dear students, study well. And today I will be doing the multiple choice questions of lesson 4 from the diary of Annie Frank of First Flight. Okay. So, let us move on to the MCQ questions. Okay. The first question, why was writing in a diary a strange experience for Annie? Number A, she had never written anything before. Option B, she didn't know how to write. Option C, neither she nor anyone else would be interested in it later. Option D, both A and C. Yes, you come. Give the correct answer. Yes. Do you think it is correct? You think 4 is right? Yes. The question is, you cannot say it is not correct, it can be incomplete. Okay, this is true that she had never written anything before. Okay. Option C looks that A and C both can be correct. No. Option A is absolutely correct. She had never written anything before. Neither she nor anyone else would be interested in it later. Do you think this can also be added? How can one say? Neither she nor anyone else would be interested in it later. So, option A is correct. Option C doesn't look. Okay. If you see from every angle, option A is correct. So, she had never written anything before. This is the truth. Because the question is, why was writing in a diary a strange experience? Because she had never written anything before. That's why it was a new thing for her, and it was a strange thing for her. Any new thing is a strange thing for anybody. Okay? So, option A is correct, my dear students. Okay? I will move on to the next slide. Question number 2. Who would Annie allow to read her diary? किसको अलाउ करेगी एनी वो डायरी पढ़ने के लिए? ऑप्शन ए, हर सिस्टर. ऑप्शन बी, हर पेरेंट्स. ऑप्शन सी, अ रियल फ्रेंड इफ शी गॉट वन. ऑप्शन डी, नो वन. नेक्स्ट. Please use your senses. In the board examination also you have to do that. Absolutely wrong. Who can give the correct answer? Wait. Yes, Aditya, come. Yes. Option C is absolutely right. Okay. Annie would allow a real friend, if she got one, to read her diary. Okay. Option C is absolutely correct. Now I will move on to the next slide, and the next slide is before you. Question number 3. Why does Annie want to keep a diary? Annie एक डायरी क्यों रखना चाहती है? Number A, she has no close friends. Number B, she loves to write. Option C, she wants people to read about her later. Option D, she likes the idea of it. Yes, next. She loves to write is absolutely wrong. Anybody? Yes, come. Yes. Option A, she has no close friends, is absolutely right. She wants to keep a diary as she has no close friends. Okay. She wanted to have one, but she didn't have. Okay. Afterwards she gets one. Afterwards she gets friend. Okay. In her later days. Okay, not later year, later same year I am talking about. Okay, so option A is the correct answer. Question 4, what did she name her diary? उसने अपने डायरी का क्या नाम दिया? एनी, कैटी, किटी, किटन. नेक्स्ट. Annie, very good. Very good. It's absolutely wrong. It's absolutely wrong. Absolutely right. She named her diary Kitty. Okay. She wrote DNS Kitty. Okay. Something like that she wrote on the top of her diary when she started writing. Okay. You remember very well. Now, I'll move on to the next slide. Question number 5. Why does she give a brief sketch about her family in the diary? Okay. Option A, no one would understand it if she does write in. Okay. If she does, spelling mistake is there. Excuse me for this. Number B, to introduce Kitty to her family. Option C, she would forget facts about her family. Option D, she liked talking about her family. Yes, next. Absolutely wrong. Next. Anybody else who knows this answer? Okay, I will give you the answer. Why does she give a brief sketch about her family? Because no one would understand it if she does write in. Okay, this is the correct option. She would forget the facts about her family, wrong. She liked talking about her family, no. Okay, to introduce Kitty to her family, this is also wrong. The first option A is correct. Okay. Now I will move on to the next slide. Question number 6 is before you. Which subject was she not sure of passing? कौन सा subject वो sure नहीं थी pass करने की? Math, Science, English, all of the above. Please don't pass comments. Maths is absolutely right. Okay. She was not sure of passing in maths. Okay. Next. Question number 7 is before you. Why was Mr. Kissing annoyed with her? Mr. Kissing जो है, जो उसके टीचर थे, क्लास टीचर थे, एनी के साथ क्यों गुस्सा हो गए? Next. She was not a good student, she was talkative, she was rude, all of the above. She was talkative is absolutely right. Okay. Option B is correct. So, this session should go like a quiz contest, but quietly. Okay. Now, question 8 is before you. Which topic was she to write an essay on as a part of her punishment? उसको उसके क्लास टीचर एक पनिशमेंट दिए थे, मिस्टर किसिंग. तो उनको उसको किस टॉपिक पे लिखना था? पनिशमेंट के रूप में दिए थे. वो टॉकेटिव थी, इसीलिए पनिशमेंट के लिए रूप में उसको कुछ ऐसे लिखने दिए थे. कौन सा ऐसे लिखने दिया था उसके क्लास टीचर ने? ओके. ऑप्शन ए चैटर बॉक्स, ऑप्शन बी एन इनकॉरिजिबल चैटर बॉक्स, ऑप्शन सी क्वैक 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 सेड मिस्ट्रेस चैटर बॉक्स, डी ऑल ऑफ द अबव. नेक्स्ट. वेरी गुड. ऑप्शन डी इज एब्सोल्युटली राइट. ओके. बिकॉज और चैटर बॉक्स के ऊपर लिखने दिए थे, चैटर बॉक्स के ऊपर भी लिखने दिए थे, इनकॉरिजिबल चैटर बॉक्स पे भी लिखने दिए थे, क्वैक 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 सेड मिस्टर चैटर बॉक्स पे भी लिखने दिए थे। क्यों? उसके टॉकिंग नेचर से। इसीलिए ऑप्शन डी इज ऑलमोस्ट करेक्ट। ओके, नाउ आई विल मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 is before you. What language was the diary originally written in? Originally ये डायरी कौन से लैंग्वेज में लिखी गई थी? The options are Spanish, English, Dutch, French. Next. Next come, next guy. Who is the next guy? Come please. I think the answer is absolutely wrong. One more chance I will give. Who can give the right answer? Yes, come. Dutch. Option C is absolutely right. Okay. So the diary was written in Dutch language. Okay. Now I will move on to the next slide. Question number 10 is before you. How did Annie justified her being talkative in the essay? वो किस प्रकार के जस्टिफाई की ऐसे में कि टॉकेटिव होना भी जरूरी है किसी को भी। नंबर 8, she discussed the subject topics in class. It is a habit, it is an inherited trait from her mother and you can't do much about it. The class is boring. Next. Option D is absolutely wrong. I didn't expect wrong answer from you. Sit down. No problem. तुम आओ, तुम तो आए हो। Yes, option C is absolutely right. It is an inherited trait from her mother and you can't do much about it. So this is the correct answer, option C. Okay. Now come to the next slide and the next question, question number 11 is before you. Question 11 is before you. Okay. What shows Annie's love for her grandmother? कौन सा इसमें ऑप्शन दिखाता है कि एनी का प्यार रहा है ग्रैंडमदर के? लव. एनी remembers her grandmother. Okay. A, she still thinks about her, she misses her, she let her birthday pass with little celebration, both 1 and 2. Next. Both 1 and 2 is absolutely right. Okay. She still thinks about her, she misses her. So option D is absolutely correct. Okay. Now I will move on to the next slide. Question number 12 is before you. Why does Annie think she was lonely? Annie क्यों सोचती है कि वो अकेली है? क्यों सोचती है? A, she had no friends. B, she had no real friends. C, she was all alone. Number D, she was an introvert. Okay. Next. She had no real friends. Do you think this is correct? All of you agree? Yes. This question also, this answer seems to be correct, but this is not fully correct. Okay, because this option is there. She had no real friends, so option B is absolutely right. Okay, she had no real friends. Now, question number 13 is before you. Why was she unable to get closer to her already existing friends? अपने जो एग्जिस्टिंग फ्रेंड्स थे उससे क्लोज क्यों नहीं हो पा रही थी? कारण है She didn't like her friends. Her friends are not understanding. She can't bring herself to talk about personal stuff. All of the above. Yes, next come. This is absolutely wrong. All cannot be the correct answers. You come, Satyam. Very good. Option C is absolutely correct. She can't bring herself to talk about personal stuff. That's why she was unable to get closer to her already existing friends. Okay? Now, question number next. Question number 14 is before you. What would the kids bet about in class? क्या चीज का वो चैलेंज कर रहे थे जो बच्चे थे क्लास में? ऑप्शन ए, हु इज मोर टॉकेटिव. ऑप्शन बी, हु वुड पास द क्लास. ऑप्शन सी, फुटबॉल मैचेस. ऑप्शन डी, बास्केटबॉल मैचेस. नेक्स्ट. Absolutely wrong answer. Okay. Baseball matches is absolutely wrong. The kids were not betting. It's very simple answer. Okay. So one more chance should be given. Yes, you come. Absolutely right. Option B. Who would pass the class? So the kids were betting about who would pass the class. Okay? वो लोग बेट कर रहे थे कौन पास करेगा कौन फेल करेगा. ठीक है? वो लोग चैलेंज कर रहे थे. You will fail. कोई दूसरा बोल रहा था नो. कोई बोलता था you will pass. दूसरा बोलता था no you will pass. ऐसा ही एक दूसरे से बातचीत हो रहा था. Now I will move on to the next question. Question number 15 is before you. What did she write in her last essay? A poem, a joke, a paragraph, a funny poem. Okay. Next. Do you all think? Yes. Option D is absolutely right. Okay. She did not write joke in her last essay, but a funny poem. Okay. She wrote a funny poem in her last essay, and option D is absolutely right. Okay. Now I will move on to question number 16. Now question number 16 is before you. When was the diary given to Annie? 11th birthday, 12th birthday, 13th birthday, 14th birthday. Next. Yes, give the right answer. 13th birthday is absolutely right. So option C is absolutely right. She was given the diary on her 13th birthday. Okay. Now next question. Question number 17 is before you. What name was her book published with? उसका बुक कौन सा नाम से पब्लिश हुआ था? ठीक है, जो कि किताब बन गया, उसका डायरी एक किताब बन गया. From the diary of Annie Frank, the diary of a young girl. Option C, Annie Frank, Annie Frank's diary. Next. Absolutely wrong. तुम आओ. This is also absolutely wrong. Hey, yes, Arpit. Arpit. Give the correct answer. The diary of a young girl is absolutely right, not wrong. Okay, this is absolutely right because see, till 2018, this was a syllabus in your curriculum in class 10th English. The diary of a young girl was a novel, and this was in your curriculum. Okay, after that, some changes were made and this was removed from the syllabus. Okay, so the diary of a young girl is the name of the book published with her name, with this name, the diary of a young girl. उसके किताब पब्लिश किया गया था. Now next, question 18. Why did she not want to give a brief in the diary at first? एक brief sketch क्यों नहीं देना चाहती थी शुरू में? She didn't want to be formal. She wanted the diary to be a real friend. She did not like the idea, both 1 and 2. Yes, I got the answer. Yes. Next, come please. Yes, both 1 and 2 is the correct answer. She didn't want to be formal. She wanted the diary to be a real friend. So option D is absolutely right. Okay. Now I will move on to the 19th question. And the 19th question is before you. How many siblings did Annie have? Annie के कितने भाई और बहन थे? Siblings उसको बोलते हैं. ठीक है. Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. Next. Oh my God. I am sorry, this is a wrong answer. Anybody from that side? No more chances. Hey, just hold on please. Yes, you come. Hold on, don't make any noise. Yes, she had one sibling. Hey, she had one sister named Margot. Do you remember? So Annie Frank had one sister only. Okay? So option A is correct. Now I will move on to question number 20. Let me see. What was Annie Frank's full name? Annie Frank का full name क्या था? A. Anneliese Mary Frank, Anna Mariam Frank, Annie Mary Mark Frank, Anneliese Martina Frank. Next कौन है? आ जाओ. Hey, John, don't help. Absolutely wrong. Yes, you come. Oh. Absolutely right. Option A is correct. The full name of Annie Frank is Anneliese Mary Frank. No other names. Okay. Now I'll move on to next option. Next question. Question number 21 is before you. Who was the only survivor from Annie's family? एक ही जन बच पाया था एनी का फैमिली में. बैठ जाओ. A. Annie, B. Annie's father, C. Annie's mother, D. Annie's sister. Yes, you come. Annie's father, option B is the correct answer. So Annie's father was the only survivor from Annie's family. Now I'll move on to the next slide, and the next question is before you. Excuse me. What was the name of Annie Frank's sister? So I have already told this answer. So option, I will give this answer myself. Margot is the name of Annie Frank's sister. Okay, just now I was talking about Margot. Okay, I am sorry. I didn't know that this question will be there. Okay. Question number 23. In which city were Annie and Margot sent to live with their grandmother? कौन सा शहर में एनी और मैरगॉट को भेजा गया रहने के लिए उसकी दादी माँ के साथ? सत्यप्रकाश. Berlin is absolutely wrong. You come. Munich is also absolutely wrong. One more chance you will get. Who wants to come? Anybody wants to come? Come. Let me see. You have failed 2 times. Aachen is absolutely right. So, Annie and Margot were sent to Aachen to live with their grandmother. So, option B is absolutely correct. Okay? Now, question number 24. How old was Annie's father when he married her mother? जब एनी के फादर के कितना उम्र था जब एनी की माँ को शादी किए हो? The options are 34, 35, 36, 32. Last, you come. "36" is absolutely right. Okay? So you were pointing to the first answer for him. Now I will move on to the last question. Question number 25 is before you. On which date did Annie record the incident in Mr. Kissing's class in her diary? कौन सा दिन एनी ने रिकॉर्ड की उस इंसिडेंट को मिस्टर किसिंग के क्लास में उस डायरी में? 12 जून 1942, 21 जून 1942, 20 जून 1942, 22 जून 1942. You come. If he fails, I will call you. Option D is absolutely wrong. Give the correct answer. Just keep quiet, please. Option A is also absolutely wrong. Option C, 20 June 1942 is absolutely right, my dear students. Okay. So Annie recorded the incident in Mr. Kissing's class in a diary on 20 June 1942. Okay. 20 June 1942 is the correct answer. You can check your textbook also. So we have come to the end of this today's session, today's class. So I will come with more multiple choice questions in the next class. Okay. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.